Happening is the LDF is saying that Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi has not contributed anything towards the CMDRF from their MP fund. Would you like to react on that? They are saying MPs have not given any money to the Wayanad rehabilitation.
Well, we've done a lot for the rehabilitation of victims here on our own, and we've done it through our parties. And as you know, today also we're going to be inaugurating the housing, etc. And I think that we've done quite a lot.
But you have not given anything from the MP fund, they are saying.
Yeah, so we
To the
don't.
CMDRF.
Yeah, so we don't have to give it to them. We have to give it to the victims of the disaster,
Okay.
and that's what we are doing.
So will Congress complete the housing project in time, because there has been a lot of delay on the part
Well,
of
I hope so. There was a lot of delay of paperwork and of the land issues and all that, and fortunately we've been able to resolve them. So hopefully we'll build and be able to do something good soon.
Even the left government is saying that Congress, it's been 2 years and even now they're only laying the foundation stone and the LDF
the
government is
council
already...
Well, I would say that in identifying the land it took a long time, also partly because of the dragging of the feet by the state government. Had they been more cooperative with us at that point, we would have been able to do it earlier.
So is there any timeline now that by when...
Well, our timeline is already passed, I would say. We should have been able to do it. I'm just happy that at least we've got all the clearances. They took a very long time to clear this project.
So are you
for us.
happy after the Disha meeting, the
Yes, I'm happy.
evaluation?
Yes, I'm happy. One of the central problem that everybody is facing, I think every different scheme, is a lack of funding from the central government. So the central government funds are very slow, in some cases also state government, but more than that, rather central government is slowing down funding on a lot of schemes, and that's delaying the schemes.
Yesterday I spoke to a few